Hello everybody and welcome for a new Blender house video. So this video is entirely about Blender. So yes, I continued learning Blender. I don't made videos on that from months I think, but this is a comeback and a true comeback because in weeks I get better and better. Like this video was going to be for this week and will be for this week, and for the next week will be the things that I made the next day than this one. Like I designed this on a Thursday and the day after this I make the video for the next week, and you will see the huge progress between both. So please ensure to not miss the next video if you want to watch it. Of course, if you don't have to watch it. If you enjoy the micro quality is thanks to an AI tool, because I'm recording with my computer audio, so it's a very bad micro, but the baddest that you can get, because it's a old computer microphone, so it's not meant to be good, but it is because I use an AI tool, a free AI tool, to upgrade this. So it's Adobe Enhance for those who are interested. I'm not commenting a lot on how to do this house because it's a pure mess. Like all the things that I'm using are not correct, or almost all, because it's just a try and I was trying to make a house. But if a real Blender designer watched this video, you will be totally afraid by this, because it's not the right thing and it's not so good. But it gets better and better as the series continues. So this video is obviously better than the previous one and worse than the next ones. So after the house and the roof of the house, I made a little ground terrain grass thing around. So these don't have beautiful textures, so yes, I painted the ground in green, and then I painted the house because I had some issues with the painting things, because while I was painting the ground, the roof was painting itself in green at the same time, so I was completely messing up all. But as you can see, I divided this in some textures, different textures, and it worked. So now we have some different things. We can make the whole house out of 3 colors, one for the roof, one for the house, and one for the ground. So yes, it's very basic, but as you probably know, because I repeated this a lot of time, this is a trial house. It's not a trial, it's because it looks like a French word that we are using to use at this for this, but it's like a try house. I'm not designing this to be beautiful, I'm designing this to learn how to make Blender, how to use that. So it's like a problem-solving game. When you learn that, you learn some things that will help you make a better thing at the next thing. So this is the wall paint. So I was trying to make some bricks, but it didn't work because I completely messed up. Like for example, I have a mirror going on somewhere, so it means that when I'm painting on one side, it paints also as the other one, and the mesh wasn't so nice. It's just that. So I use a lot of metallic tint and rugosity aspect because it's beautiful. Then after the house designing, we can position the camera and the light. So I use 2 lights, one sun, so it's the sun option for the light, and a second one in the inside at a spot option to make the house lightened by inside. I remember you that Blender is completely free for everyone, and it works on my computer, so it should work on yours. So you can just try it. It's a lot of work because it's a complex tool, but when you get it right, it's very fun to use and it's very beautiful renders. So you can consider liking, subscribing, do whatever you want, and tell me in comments what I can do next